Hello everyone, this is Jay Sahni. So I'm going to talk about empathy today, which is one of the most important skills in emotional intelligence. Now point ये है कि empathy French language में या मैं जो भी management sessions की management की lectures लेता हूँ वो कैसे आई. So if you see the model of emotional intelligence as developed by great Sir Daniel Goleman, he talks about 4 or 5 main components. Number one, self-awareness, self-management, then self-motivation, empathy, and relationship building. What I have felt is empathy is the core of that. Now when I empathize with myself, that means मैं अपने emotions के बारे में aware हो रहा हूँ. Secondly, when I am aware about my emotions, I can manage myself pretty well. And what I have felt over the so many years is 90% of management is people's management and 100% of people's management is self-management. So अगर मैं अपने आप को सही से manage कर सकता हूँ, so मेरे साथ जो आसपास के लोग हैं वो भी अपने आप मैनेज हो जाएंगे. नाउ हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मैनेज माई सेल्फ थ्रू एम्पथाइजिंग विद माई सेल्फ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे ये भी पता होना चाहिए इंस्टेड कि मैं ये देखूँ कि हाउ डू अदर पीपल आर फीलिंग अबाउट अ सर्टेन थिंग ड्यूरिंग अ सिचुएशन, जो कि एम्पथी का रियल मतलब है. बट उससे पहले मुझे अपनी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस भी तो होनी चाहिए. मैं उसको भी एक तरह से सेल्फ एम्पथी कह देता हूँ. सो देन वंस आई एम अवेयर अबाउट दैट, मैं अपने इमोशंस को रेगुलेट कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन डाइवर्ट दोज इमोशंस टूवर्ड्स पॉजिटिविटी. So then most important part is when I am good at self-awareness and self-management, motivating myself pretty well, I can empathize with others so well, and putting myself in other people's mental shoes, that is जैसे बाकी लोग feel कर पा रहे हैं, I am also putting myself in that perspective. And this is what I do in the classes since so many years. मैं students के level पर आकर how are they feeling and how to connect my lectures according to the students' mindset. That is what I do. Instead of making students come to my level, I first go to their level and then hold their hands and then developing their skills, be it French language or any subject related to management. So once you are good at self-management, self-awareness and self-motivation, empathizing with people, secondly, last important point is that of relationship building, वो अपने आप आ जाती है. So that was it from my end on French पे गपशप today. It was on emotional intelligence. Thank you so much.